scarring in my heart, reaching of fever pitches, bringing me out the dark. Finally, I can see you crystal clear. Go ahead and sell me out with the honor she's been. See how I leave with every piece of you. Don't underestimate the things that I will do. There's a fire starting in my heart, reaching of fever pitches, bringing me out the dark. Scars of your love remind me of as they keep me thinking that we almost had it all. The scars of your love, they give me breathless. I can't help feeling we could have had it all. Rolling in a deep, you left my heart inside. And you played it to the beat. Go stop.